Take command of the road in the 2015 Infiniti QX60. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like power windows, mirrors, and seats, a power rear cargo door, rear wipers, and seat memory. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 13 speakers, ensuring optimum sound no matter where you're seated. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, traction control, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.